I think it's about time to unbox them. So, box, you know, it's not the cleanest box ever. Actually, not pretty clean. But anyway, we got the packaging, Airpods 4 active noise cancellation, recycle box, USB-C charging case. Well, you know, that actually makes a lot of sense. Let's just get a move on with this, I guess. Right hand. Apple, you never disappoint with the seals. Why do they make it so dramatic? It's not even coming out. Oh no, there we go. Oh. Okay. Some identification stuff that we don't want to get into. Let's see this. Designed in Apple. Wait. Designed by Apple in California. With the distance. No Apple stickers, that sucks. Alright. Oh wait. You'll find too. I don't think there's any Apple stickers. I don't know what's meant to be on, but it just looks like this is a bunch of crummy documentation. Not a big fan. Let's just bundle all that back up and stick it back in. Oh my god. I'm great at this. You can tell I've done this before. Okay, well. Sorry. Airpods themselves. We'll leave that aside because I assume. Cable. Well, it doesn't look like it. USB-C cable sold separately. Huh, okay, well, we're just gonna have to beautifully done. Oh, wait. Beautiful, and first time open. They look pretty good. And that's a white LED too. Oh. It just beeped. Okay. Well, huh. That's pretty nice. Well, to set them up on my phone, I kinda have to... Okay. To set them up on my phone, I kinda have to stop recording, so I'll just screen record and you can, They're making more sounds. Oh, connect. Alright. This is going great so far. Made another little ding. Listening mode, press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise reduction and transparency mode. Press once to play, pause, accept calls, mute, and twice to skip forwards or uncall. Okay, well, it's going a little fast. Thank God I'm recording it. Volume slider. Okay, so you can access all the different modes and stuff from that. Personalized volume, I won't do that for now. Conversation awareness, that actually sounds pretty good. And announce calls, yep. That doesn't sound good. Cool. No thank you, actually. Can I? Okay, well, guess not. So they're definitely in transparency mode, yep. Let's change that. Noise cancellation. Oh, it didn't work. Hello? Oh, that's... Oh no, it worked for a second, but then it just switches back. Maybe it's too adaptive. Weird. Huh. I wonder why it does that. Oh, it's because I'm talking, isn't it? Oh, it is too. Honestly, the noise cancellation is actually pretty good. Let's see music.
Open up the door, can you open up the...
Honestly, these sound better than any earphones I've ever used, if I'm gonna be honest. And that is like first impressions. Which is pretty good. Okay, so something cool I heard you can do is that you can use these on an Apple Watch charger, which I really hope to get. Oh, that is so cool.